And they're alternating with Katie Estrada, who you will be seeing in the run. So Katie. And then for the Julius, tonight you saw Nor Madame sila. Madame sila magkakapatid. Tapos, with alternating with Alex Ilacan. Again nga, in February. Okay, ano ba talaga? Alright, and okay, and for
So maybe for me as Julia, I think it was evident in the whole story how love conquers all. May it be para sa bayan, para sa pamilya, o para sa pagmamahal mo sa significant other mo. And that if you both have happy, at wala na akong ibang bukang bibig sa bahay o sa lahat, sa labas, kundi ito, kanta kami lagi, Borta. Lagi! Kagabi sa Star Magic Ball, sinasayaw namin kahit yung tugtog party, Borta. And yung dance namin, it has consumed my life in the best way. So I love it.
Yes, thank you, Star Magic. Thank you to the glory.
Walang naaapakan na ibang tao. Love should be celebrated. It should be spread to everyone.
I always stand up for the people that I love. Because like my parents, my friends, Alexa, I always stand up for them when something is trying to get in their way or basta ako naman, I'm ready to go to war for them.
Showing Feb 17 to May 14 at the Petit Theatre Center. Closer guys, closer! Also, one smile to the camera up there. And then, in one go, tumindig at umibig, walang arahin. 3, 2, 1.
Tumindig at umibig, walang aray!
Again, thank you so much for coming tonight. We hope you enjoyed the show. We will be sending you the press kits by evening or at the latest this morning, or tomorrow morning rather. Thank you.
One more.
Hello. You can do your selfies. Meron ka ba? Yes. Ian. Windows. Wiggy, sit down. Tom. Yes, Ian. Vince. Are you guys complete? Okay, one more thing.
May nakatingin. Katie! Sila.
Okay, Mark. This camera.